Hi, my name is Donald. Today we are discussing about a Wi-Fi controlled watering system for home users. The parts required a Wi-Fi control plug. Then you need an aquarium or a fountain pump. And then you have to source a drip irrigation kit which is readily available on online sites and which contains all these components and which you can get familiar with before you start. Mainly you have the 4 mm tubes and then you have the 16 mm. The 16 mm tubes are the main line. So you measure the 16 mm to the size of your balcony and cut accordingly the number of plants you have. Cut the 4 mm accordingly and puncture the 16 mm using the tool. Dip the 4 mm into hot water before you can push it into the connector and pass the stand through the 4 mm. Dip the other side into hot water and push it into the adjustable dripper. Repeat this process for the other units. Now press the pin connector into the 16 mm pipe and this is the same thing you have to do for the remaining. Completing the circuit of this 16 mm, connect the T and the elbow. And in this case, I have used a T connector and an elbow to complete a semicircle, 2 semicircles, and with 10 drips at each, 5 in each semicircle. Now, this is the final circuit line. The end of the T is connected to a flexible hose and reduced using a reducer and connected to a nylon hose which fits into the adapter of the water pump. Connect the water pump and submerge it into the bucket of water. The bucket of water you can control according to the requirement of the number of days. Connect the pump to the Wi-Fi control plug which is already programmed to the app, which is a simple process to pair it along with the app of the manufacturer. Once it is programmed, you can switch it on and the pump will work instantaneously. So calculate the time required for the drip. You can see the flow, complete the flow and then you can switch it on. I would think about 20 to 30 seconds would be ideal, and you can calculate the amount of water required for the number of days. Switch it off. Now the implementation of this circuit was done for the plants. Here in this case there are 10 plants. Each of them are connected using the dripper and the circuit is completed to the Wi-Fi and you can remotely access it with your app, and while you are out of town you don't have to worry about watering your plants. This will help to keep your plants healthy and green. I hope this is a very simple process. Anybody can do this. All you have to do is order for all the components online and you can get it done. I hope this info was useful. Thank you.